Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you why you can't, or tell you why you can't get access yet to the new feature on Discord, which is premium memberships, kind of like Twitch memberships. So one of the reasons why, if you're not seeing the feature pop up, first of all, because it isn't rolled out for your Discord account yet. So what you need to do is you need to go to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Discord app to the latest version first. Then once that feature is actually rolled out on your account, it can take a few days or maybe up to like 2 weeks for it to appear on your account. So you do have to be a little bit patient as well. So then once you go onto Discord and you're in your server, tap the three dots at the top there on the right at the top, then go to settings, and then once you have it rolled out for you, you should see that get started. And like I mentioned, if it's not there, you'd probably just have to wait for it to get rolled out for your account. But there's another reason why you cannot get access to the feature, is because you don't meet the requirements. So if I tap on that, you can see if I scroll down, the request access button is grayed out for me because I don't meet the requirements, because I need to have at least 500 members in my server, and you need to have active members and good membership retention. The other ones are good. For me, you can read them on the screen right now. You can pause the video. So those are the main two reasons as to why you can't get access to the feature yet. It's either because it's not rolled out for your account yet, or you don't meet the requirements. So if this cleared it up for you, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.